Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading or weekly ganap for January 6 to 12, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. And thank you sa mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. Thank you for your support. It really helps our channel to grow. Ayan. So, kuha na tayo ng mga ng mga cards para mabilis ang ating reading. Okay. So, let's see. Pisces. Tarot cards naman for you. Okay. So, we're good. Now, let's begin sa inyong reading. You have the Knight of Cups, the Ace of Pentacles, the Seven of Cups, the King of Pentacles, and the Seven of Wands. Okay, so Pisces, meron ditong confusion, no? Confusion sa mga gusto nyong gawin or i-pursue sa buhay. Some of you may confusion when it comes to romantic connection or romantic relationships. Pwede kasing meron ditong nagpapakita ng interest sa inyo, like someone who wants to be close to you. Siyempre, nasa sayo yan kung you will let this person na maging close sa'yo. Lalo na ito'y nagsisimula pa lang. Some of you, Pisces, pwedeng, siyempre hindi naman ito para sa lahat. Pwedeng may kinalaman sa trabaho, pwedeng boss mo ito, no, na nagiging very, parang extra special ang iyong ang medyo extra special yung kanyang pakikitungo sa iyo. Na yung iba parang na-confuse ka kung may gusto ba sa yung boss mo. Yung iba sa inyo pinipigilan nyo, but it seems na meron kasi ring interest kayo no, parang ganon. So andun rin parang the feeling is mutual. Kaya lang syempre, you have to set your boundaries, being more professional, and at the same time, kung itong taong ito ay meron ng meron ng mga pananagutan sa iba. Kasi syempre ibang usapan na 'yon dahil medyo sensitive and conflicting energy na 'yan. So, yun. And some of you naman, I see you starting a very passionate career path or business, no? Marami kang ideas, no? Marami kang gustong gawin, but you are not really sure about the options na available sa'yo. Sa inyo. So, kung may naririnig kayong tahol ng aso, pasensya na kasi may bagong lipat sa tapat namin. So, medyo marami sila doon. Maingay sila. Anyway, yeah, so pwedeng itong opportunity na to na susubukan mo, can be a new job, new career, new business. Meron tong potential na lumago. Meron tong potential na maging very successful para sa'yo. Kailangan lang alam mo kung paano mo to i-manage at hindi yung tipong laging bigay ka na lang ng bigay. Kasi yung ibang mga Pisces, ang tendency is they become too parang giving, oo, na wala na silang tinitira para sa kanila. You have guide, so you are divinely guided. You also have action. Yes, action-oriented ka and also may timing dito. So, kumbaga, yung mga options available sa'yo, yung mga decision making na gagawin mo, pinag-iisipan mo rin siya. And timing is essential, 'di ba? So, for example, kung ikaw ay magsa-start ng business, at sa tingin mo kaya mo pa siyang planuhin ng mas matagal-tagal para hindi ka nagmamadali. So itaon mo siya sa mga yung paglo-launch na yan, itaon mo sa panahon na sweldo, 'di ba? Or merong buying power yung iyong community or yung market mo, 'di ba? Ayan. So you will also ask for guidance, maaring meron kang mga mentors na magbibigay sa iyo ng advice. Okay? You have Mars in Libra in the 7th house. So this is about making a choice, decision making in your relationship. So yung iba sa inyo, yun nga, nagde-decide kayo if you're going to enter a situationship, relationship with someone. So maaring yung iba kasi sa inyo rito, limited yung merong limitations yung situation. So pag-isipan yung maigi yan. You also have Jupiter in Aquarius in the 11th house, which is about yung inyong productivity. I also see yun na marami kayong mga creative ideas na gusto nyong subukan, i-pursue. So, overwhelming kasi yung creative ideas ninyo. And ituloy nyo lang kasi mukhang meron tong magandang kahihinatnan. You will gain more popularity, followers, subscribers, or meron kang made-develop na certain community around dito sa interest mo. Okay, whatever you are interested in. Uy, sa iyong kaperahan, no, the boss, you are about to take bigger responsibilities in your business or career. An executive position is lining up for you. Your finances are getting stronger. So, you are fully in control of your finances. Yung iba sa inyo maaring magiging mapopromote sa trabaho. Meron kayong managerial role or, leadership role. So, like what I mentioned kanina, yung iba sa inyo, you may be involved with your boss. Ayan, sa trabaho nyo. So, sa relationship, ayan this involves a major decision. This really makes sense kasi itong choice na to is 7th house is about relationships, partnerships. So, meron ka talagang decision making na gagawin if you are ready to get into this situation or relationship. So, ingat lang sa mga third party situation. Alam naman natin na yan ay medyo stressful na sitwasyon pagdating sa relationship. Endings are inevitable. So, maaring merong endings for you, ending a situation, a relationship, or a project, or isang bagay na sa tingin mo ay no longer serving you. So, you are now focused on kung saan ka mas magiging, saan mas may expansion. So, tinan natin sa ano tong energy ng the boss. The Tower. Oh my God! Major change. Okay, unexpected change. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring yun agad ang nakuha ko dyan, may involvement sa boss. So, pwedeng maging issue sa trabaho, can also be a reason for termination, or alam mo na, or parang pwedeng may aalis, ganyan. So, sa tong options na to? The King of Wands. So, as an option sa relationship, if you are single, marami pang pwedeng dumating sa buhay mo or makilala ka along the way. So, be open to that opportunity. And pay attention rin sa intention ng mga tao sa inyo, no? Lalo na sa romantic connection. Kasi itong King of Wands energy, hindi siya ganun kaseryoso pagdating sa relationship. Okay? So, that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. See you again.